In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar in Notion. We'll start by getting a calendar onto your page using Notions/command. Click into an empty spot on your page and type a /, then begin typing calendar. Notion will filter the menu as you type. Choose calendar view from the options that appear. This quickly drops a calendar database right where your cursor was, so you have a clean starting point to work with. Next, we'll set up a simple 2-column layout so you can control the calendar's width. Scroll to the bottom of the page or move your cursor just below the calendar. Type a / again and start typing column. From the menu, select the option for 2 columns. Notion will split the page area into a left and a right column, which is perfect for resizing your calendar later and keeping other content like notes or tasks beside it. Now, it's time to move the calendar into one of those columns. Hover over the calendar block until you see the small grid of 6 dots to the left of it. That's the drag handle. Click and hold that grid icon, then drag the calendar toward the column you want. As you move it, watch for the blue drop indicator that shows exactly where the block will land. Release the mouse when the indicator is inside the left or right column. If it doesn't land where you expect, just pick it up again and drop it until it snaps into place. With the calendar inside a column, you can resize it by adjusting the column widths. Hover your mouse over the vertical divider between the 2 columns until you see a left-right arrow. Click and drag that divider to make the calendar's column wider or narrower. The calendar will instantly reflow to match the new width, showing more or fewer days and details depending on how much space you give it. If you can't grab the divider easily, zoom in slightly or make sure your cursor is right on the line between columns. On smaller screens, columns may stack vertically. Widening your window can restore them side by side. And remember, resizing here only changes the layout on this page. It won't affect the actual data in your calendar. If you make a layout change you don't like, use undo to revert. That's it. You've added a calendar, created a 2-column layout, dragged the calendar into place, and resized it by adjusting the column divider.